Hey guys, this is Margarita from Go Dominican Life, again with an amazing property for you today. We're in one of the best residentials in Sosua, which offers a lot of services and amenities, and I want to show you this beautiful 2-bedroom house. Do you want to come and have a look? Come on. This fully renovated 2-bedroom house is waiting for you. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe here below, and all the information you need to come and buy this property is here below as well. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.